In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get eDreams Prime discount. If you've seen cheaper Prime prices while browsing eDreams and wondered how to actually lock them in, the process is quick and happens right inside a normal booking. You don't have to set anything up ahead of time. The discount starts on your first booking and is applied automatically when you choose a Prime option. Begin by opening the eDreams website or the mobile app. Use the search bar to look for either a flight or a hotel, depending on what you need. Enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers or rooms. Take a moment to refine your search if you like. Filters for times, stops, or amenities can help you find the best match faster. Once your results load, pick the flight or hotel that fits your plans. For flights, consider departure times, layovers, and baggage options. For hotels, review location, room type, and cancellation terms. When you open a specific option, keep an eye out for a special label. Prime price or prime fare. You'll usually see the standard price right alongside a lower prime price, so it's easy to understand the savings at a glance. Click the prime price or prime fare. That click is the key step that tells eDreams you want the discounted prime rate for this booking. From here, just continue the booking as you normally would. Follow the on-screen prompts to review the itinerary or room details, confirm what's included, and proceed to checkout. Next, enter your traveler or guest details carefully, exactly as they appear on your identification for flights, and add your payment information. Double-check dates, names, and any optional extras to make sure everything is correct before you pay. There's no promo code to remember. Choosing the prime price takes care of the discount for you. After you confirm and complete payment, you're done. Prime is activated automatically as part of this process, and the discount you selected is applied to this first booking right away. That's the whole idea behind getting the eDreams Prime discount during booking. It's built directly into the checkout flow so you can see the savings before you pay and enjoy them immediately. To recap in one smooth flow, open eDreams on web or app, search for your flight or hotel, select the option you want, look for the prime price or prime fare, click it, continue through the booking screens, enter your details and payment, and complete checkout. Prime activates, and your discount is applied automatically on that very first booking.